can't get over these brows, especially this one. Never mind. But yeah, if you do enjoy this video, please remember to smash a massive thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's get started. I've actually got a haircut coming up, so at least it's gonna get sorted. But I thought I would pop some extensions in today because I haven't actually worn extensions in the longest time. Last year / the year before / when I was blonde, extensions were my thing. Everyone used to ask me to show them how to put them in. I used to get so many questions on my extensions, but since I've had my hair cut blunt, I don't tend to wear them, but I'm kind of just over the short hair now, I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to get it to grow. But we've got some extensions here from Zeeelle, which is so exciting because they've actually launched their new collection with Ellie Brown from Love Island. So the clip-ins they sent over to me are 26 inches. Why can't I say that word? Premium synthetic hair. And these ones are waved. I picked them up the other day, but I thought I'd keep them nice and fresh so that we can do like a first impressions and pop them in together. But yeah, like I said, it is their new collection with Ellie Brown, which is so exciting. Her hair looks incredible in this picture, by the way. So if I can get mine to look anything like that, I will be chuffed. They also popped in a little biscuit, some hair bubbles, some clips, and I don't actually know what these are. I'm assuming they're sweets. But I thought we could just pop these in together. Obviously my hair isn't currently waved, but I haven't straightened it or anything, so I've sort of just left it because I think I'm going to be able to make it work without waving it. I do need to tie up my hair though. 2 seconds, I'm just going to get a hairband. So I'm just going to pop the extensions in. Since I can remember from wearing clip-ins, I've always plaited like the bottom section of my hair. It just means there's less hair to like blend and, you know, hide, especially when your hair's as blunt as mine. So if you just plait the bottom section, I used to actually only do a little bit because my hair was super thin, but now my hair is incredibly thick and blunt. I do actually plait pretty much the whole bottom half of my head, and just use one of these little bubbles to clip it, to tie it. The little tiny little elastic bubbles so that you can't really see it. So I sometimes would clip it up, but today I'm actually going to leave it down because I want to be able to use all my hair to like clip in, if you know what I mean. So we're going to leave the plait down. Also, I feel like the shade match is pretty spot on. I did actually dye my hair typically like last week. So my hair is slightly darker, but literally you would not even be able to tell. So I'm going to start with re-clip and just clip that to the bottom section of my plait. I feel like it took me so long to learn how to like correctly apply clip-ins, but they shouldn't be uncomfortable. You shouldn't be able to feel them. Going with this clip next, which has actually got like 5 clips, which is huge, and I'm going to do that around like the top area of my head here, like the main event, you know. You can't see the plait. The plait is now hidden, so don't panic about clipping it up. Oh my god, I feel like this is giving me some sort of like alter ego with long hair. I haven't had long hair for so long. So then we've got these two, which I will apply to the side. Big one, this has got like the perfect amount of clips, I'm not going to lie. Sometimes with extensions, they just don't give you enough clips. Obviously, like when you go to order extensions, they'll tell you how many clips are in each pack, but this is like the perfect amount, guys. I feel like for a full head of nice thick clip-ins, you want about five clips. I haven't like waved my hair, but it's sort of just naturally blending in, which is super handy. Right, last layer. Doesn't help that I'm sat directly in the stand. Getting a major Sula here. Oh wow, I'm absolutely obsessed so far. Cannot cope. Let's pop in the last two. The last 2 side ones I'm going to clip really quite high so that it blends like around my face framing. Oh, perfect. I was so right about not needing to wave my hair. It's literally blending, like you can't see it at all. Also, I think my camera may be overheating. I'm trying really hard not to edit that down too much so you can see in real time how quickly I applied that, because I'm not even kidding. I just got those in probably about 3 minutes, which is, oh god, stuck in my eye. I just applied those in about 3 minutes, which is spot on. You don't want to spend more than that. More time than that doing your hair. That is the extensions in, guys. I'm absolutely obsessed. I feel like I need to stand up so you can see the full length. Hold on. You can see it. Also ignore my outfit as well. Just move location so you can see the full length of these extensions. How stunning are they? I feel like this is what I needed in my life. I've missed having long hair so much. I literally don't even feel like me. How weird is this that like this used to be me 24/7. Clip-ins always. And then when I had my like 28-inch tapes. I'm back. I'm back in better. As I'm filming this, these extensions haven't actually launched yet, but by the time this video goes live, the Ellie Brown edit will be live with Zeeelle. So I definitely recommend going over there, checking them out, and getting yourself some cute clip-ins. The fact that they're already pre-styled as well, oh, heaven. They are actually heat resistant, so you can restyle and stuff, but you're not going to need to, girls, because they're perfect.